What's up, guys? It's JC92 back again with another video. Today's gonna be a little different. Today I'm gonna be showing you the outfit I had on today. Also, we're gonna be showing you two different pieces of two different parts of two different videos of two different days, if you know what I mean. So one video I'm gonna be showing you an unboxing from the Container Store. Got 12 new containers, put in 12 different shoes. Then in the second video we're gonna be doing an unboxing from the Supreme Store. Week 6, I picked up a t-shirt. Hope you guys like the new concept. Please leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, and stay tuned for more videos. What's up, guys? So I just got my 2 boxes from the Container Stores. Finally, 2 cases of 6, so that's 12. Right now the containers are on sale, 25% off, so make sure you go check it out. Now through the month of May, I believe it's May 13th to be exact. So go check that out. And I'm gonna be showing you the 12 sneakers I'm gonna be putting in the containers. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so these are the 12 sneakers I chose. I'm gonna start on this side. Here we got the Mellow ones in that black and gold. Mellow's logos on the tongue. I don't know if you can see that. Here we got the black and yellow mids, Jordan 1s. Here we got the black cement 4s. Can't wait for 2019 pair to release. Definitely need a fresh pair. Here we got the Laney 5s. That blue and that yellow, 23 on the side. Here we got Cardinal 7s. This is one of the sneakers that made me start collecting shoes. It's like the first pair of shoes I had in my collection. Always had sneakers, but this was the shoe I decided to start collecting. Cardinal 7s. Here you got the Concord 11s. Supposedly these are coming back out. Here we got the Legend Blue 11s, baby blue Jumpman. Here we got the Bread 12s, also known as the Flu Game 12s. I wish Jordan would have done a better job on the quality here. Paint chipping. It's crazy. Chose some basketball shoes as well. We got here the Yeezy foams. This is one of the last pair of foams I copped. Foams died out, man. These glow in the dark. Here we got one of my favorites, Sprite, LeBron 8 Sprites, the low. You just don't want to see me in the court, bro. Chill out, bro. Here we got the South Beach 11s, that teal, that pink. And here we got, I believe, the Palmer 12s in the low. Shoe is fire in the summertime. A lot of people don't see these shoes. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a whole collection video, all my shoes, very, very soon. So stay tuned. What's good, YouTube? So we finally got that Supreme package I've been telling you guys about. This is from the week 6. This is a t-shirt I picked up. I'm not very excited about this piece, but I'm happy I got it for retail. I'm a size small, so usually that size is a little rare. Supreme has been very slow with the shipping this year. The day that I'm filming this video is Wednesday, and tomorrow will be week 8, so almost 2 weeks late. Let's see what I got. Hopefully I got some dope stickers. That's what I'm looking forward the most. Alright. See, here we got that Supreme bag. The red box logo. Let's first see the stickers we got. Okay. See a couple. Okay. We got that famous red box logo sticker. Here we got the TV Supreme sticker, as well as we got the Diamond Supreme. So they hooked it up, the stickers, and here's the t-shirt. We got the Ladybug shirt in gray, size small. And yeah, I'm not too crazy about this shirt. Retail was $36. Shipping was like $12, $13, so the shirt came out to like 48, 49 bucks. So it's not bad. I believe on StockX it's going for like about $100, $110, not too sure. I'll put it up when I find out how much it's going for. So yeah, guys.